Hello guys, welcome to SS Multimedia. This is Arjun Kokunda. Today we will be talking about multiplying 3 and 4 digit numbers by 1 digit numbers. Objective. Today our objective will be understanding how to multiply 3 and 4 digit numbers by 1 digit numbers. Pause this video and try them out. Now I'll show you how to do them. I'm pretty sure all of you know how to multiply single digit numbers and multiply single digit numbers by double digit numbers or 2 digit numbers. I'll just show you the answers for these. So 9 times 3. 9 times 1 is 1. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. And 9 times 3 is 27. So our answer here is 27. Okay, second one. 5 times 7. So 5 times 7 would be 35 because 7 times 1 equals 7, 7 times 2 equals 14, 7 times 3 equals 21, and 7 times 4 equals 28, and finally 7 times 5 equals 35. So our answer here is 35. Now let's try the double digit question. So first let's set it up this time. So 17, put a multiplication sign here, and then 8. So what we're going to do is 8 times 7. So 8 times 7 would be 56. So let's do it right here because I don't have enough space here. So 56. So the 5 would go up here over 1, and then 6 would be here. So now we're going to multiply 8 times 1. The answer is 8, obviously. So now we have to add 5. So 8 times 1 is 8, and then plus 5 would be 13. So our answer is 136. Now let's do the last one. 7 times 22. So set it up. 22, the multiplication sign, and then 7. So 7 times 2 equals 14. So 1 here, and 4 over here. And 7 times 2 again. That would be 14 too, and 14 plus 1 is 15. So our answer here is 154. Let's write it right here. Okay, so now I'm going to start off with showing you guys how to do a few problems. And just a reminder, to understand this lesson, you have to know your multiplication table. So if you're not 100% sure about your multiplication tables yet, I recommend learning them before you start this lesson. So now let me demonstrate you the first question. So our first question here is 172 times 6. So now we just set it up. So 172, multiplication sign, and then 6 right here. So now what we're going to do is multiply. So 6 times 2, it's 12. So we put a 1 right there, and the 2 over here. Now we multiply 7 and 6. So 7 times 6 equals 42. So and 42 plus 1 equals 43. So now we do the same thing we did here. So we have 43. So we put the 4 over here and then 3 over here. Now we need to do 6 times 1, which is obviously 6. And then we add the 4. So 6 plus 4 is 10. So we put the 10 there. That's our answer, 1032. Now let's do the next question. Next question here is 340 times 4. So we do the same thing again, set it up. So 340, multiplication sign over here, then 4. So 4 times 0 equals 0. 4 times 4 equals 16. So the 1 is going to go right here, and the 6 will stay here. Now 4 times 3, so 4 times 3 equals 12, and 12 plus 1 is 13. So we put 13 over here. And then let's box it because that's our answer. Equals 1,360. Now I'm going to demonstrate one more question. So this one is it has a 4-digit number. So now we do the same thing, set it up first. So sorry about that. 2,315 times 9. So what we're going to do is 9 times 5, which is 45. So the 4 is going to go up here, and the 5 will stay here. And we're doing 9 times 1, which is 9, and 9 plus 4 equals 13. So the 1 will stay here, circle these, and then it's 13, so the 3 will come here. So now we do 3 times 9, or 9 times 3. So 9 times 3 equals 27. So 27 plus 1 is 28. And the 2 will come up here. Then 8 will come here. Then 9 times 2 is 18. And then we add 2 to it, so 20. So our answer here is 20,835. Let's go ahead and write it right here. Okay. So all these kind of multiplication problems are the same. So even if you're doing a single digit times a double digit or 2 digits, it would still be the same thing. If you get a number that is more than 10 or 10, you put the first digit over here and then the second digit down here. So all of these are the same thing. Now, go ahead and try these problems by yourself. Pause this video and take your time. Did you get a solution? Well, now, let's see if it's right. So let's take a look at the first question. 280 times 4. So let's set it up first. So 280 times 4. So what you're going to do is 4 times 0. So that's a 0. And then 8 times 4, which is 32. So 3 goes here, circle it, and then 2 goes here. Now we do 4 times 2, which is 8. And we need to add 3. So 8 plus 3 is 11. So let's put 11 right here. And this is our answer. Our answer is 1,120. Now let's do the second problem. Our second problem is 721 times 2. So let's set it up. 721 times 2. So now what we're going to do is 2 times 1, which is 2, and 2 times 2, which is 4, and then 2 times 7, which is 14. So notice we don't have any numbers up here, so this might be slightly easier than the other ones we did today. So equals 1,442. Now let's do the last problem. 4,236 times 7. Well, this is obviously a huge number, but don't worry, it's the same thing again. So 4,000, sorry about that, that didn't come out so well. Okay, so 4,236 times a 7. So now what we do is 7 times 6, which is 42. So the 4 goes up here, 2 is here. And then we do 7 times 3, which is 21. So what we're going to do is 21 plus 4, which is 25. So the 2 comes here, and the 5 is here. Then we do 7 times 2, which is 14. And then 14 plus 2, which is 16. So the 1 comes here, and the 6 goes there. And then 7 times 4, which is 28. And then 28 plus 1 is 29. Oh my god, that was huge. We had these numbers up here. We had 3 numbers up here. So yeah, this is probably the hardest one we had today. But if you got it right, good job. So how many did you get right? Did you get all of them? Comment it down in the comment section below. So thank you so much for watching this video. That's it for our lesson today. Keep practicing these problems. And then, at some point, you will perfect them. If you liked this video and it helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos.